more laundry days, it's Tumble days from now on. Tumble is an on-demand laundry and dry cleaning service servicing the Dayton area. We're happy to say that we actually service a 12 to 15 mile radius around downtown Dayton. We're hitting a lot of communities and making sure that everyone has clean clothes. I'm Jeffrey Caldwell II. I'm a Wright State MBA student. My friend and brother, Charles Wheeler III, and I started a business called Tumble LLC. We pick up your order, we bring it back here or to one of our other laundry locations or our dry cleaning location. You receive your order within 72 hours, perfectly clean, folded, or dry cleaned.
Their business is already impressing in the Miami Valley. Tumble won the Wright Venture Entrepreneur Competition at Wright State University.
We won $5,000 going towards the business. We've able to utilize that money in the purchase of our marketing, such as our Tumble bags, a few postcards that we've sent out to the community, as well as some different services that we've been able to provide as well. The experience with Wright Venture really helped us actually realize that our business could be more than just an idea, it could be an actuality.
Oftentimes the things that Jeffrey was learning within his MBA program, he is like, dang, I just learned this week, and here we are actually putting it to the test within the business.
For this order, we're using free and clear. Without Wright State, we wouldn't have even been able to get our first $5,000 to help build this project and go even further. From there, they've provided us the confidence to become not just student entrepreneurs, but leaders within our community. You have a business idea or a passion that you're really willing and wanting to pursue, go after it. We need more entrepreneurs, we need more business owners, we need more people that are willing to sacrifice and make their dreams happen just so that we can inspire others to keep on doing it too.